Hi. What the time is? All right. Good evening. Just in case you're watching this in the afternoon, good afternoon or good morning if you're watching this in the morning. All right. So someone just asked me a question. He said, "Sam, I've been seeing you talk about cryptocurrency, about Bitcoin. How do you even make money with this stuff? How can I start? How can I invest?" Instead of responding to the person privately, I decided to do this video. Just in case someone else has that kind of question. First of all, you asking the question is a good step rather than just going on your own and start putting your money in what you don't understand, because even God even said it. Sorry, he said, "My people die for lack of knowledge," right? So don't put your money into what you don't understand. Even if you don't understand what Bitcoin is, what cryptocurrency is, what blockchain is, and what they're used for, don't put your money. Get the knowledge first. You see? So so far so good. I know a lot of people have been hearing about Bitcoin. They know it's an online digital money, but they don't have the full knowledge on how to make money with it. Now, that's what this video is for, right? So there are several ways you can make money from cryptocurrency, which you should know Bitcoin is one of them. Of course, this video is not meant for or to teach you the in-depth stuff. It's just to give you the general knowledge, right? The number one way of making money through cryptocurrency is by buying and holding. Yep. So you just buy what you can buy, Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever. Buy it and forget about it. I'll give an example. I did a video. I'll upload this video on YouTube. Now, if you're watching on YouTube, check at the I think it says top left corner or top right corner. You will see a link that's coming up right now. Now, click that video. That video is talking about dollar cost averaging, right? Now, in that video, I explained that if you had been saving $10, which is about 33,000 naira every month, into Bitcoin in the past 10 years, you would have made some good sizable amount of money that you wouldn't have gotten from putting your money in the bank. You see? So one way of making money with cryptocurrency is just by buying it and holding it. So buying cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency, is like buying an asset, but this time you're buying a digital asset. So you know how people buy a plot of land and then several years later they want to sell it. You see? That's just similar to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. The only difference is that with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, you can actually make way more. Bitcoin, for example, Bitcoin has grown by over 1,000,000% since it came into existence. Yeah, I didn't make a mistake. Over 1,000,000%. So make sure you check the link about though I don't know where it will be popping up, whether it's here or here. Wherever it's popping up, just click it and watch it. So that's dollar cost averaging. So you can just be buying a particular amount of Bitcoin, or if you can buy at once, fine. Just buy and boom, drop it. Leave it for your kids, or in the next 5 to 10 years, you'll be a big boy. Another way of making money with cryptocurrency, it's by obeying that Bible principle that says you need to get knowledge. You know how the Bible said, "My people die for lack of knowledge." Understand what blockchain is and the technology behind understand what cryptocurrency is and the technology behind cryptocurrency, which is called blockchain. Now, I have a course on that, and check in the description. You're watching via YouTube, check in the description. You'll see a link to Blockchain University. There's a course there, is free, where you can get to know about blockchain, what blockchain is, and how does blockchain affect concern banking, how does blockchain concern government and fashion and blah 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 blah. You can check that. And the third way that you can make money with, okay, let me explain more about the second way. Now, by the time you understand the core technology and how it works, you mustn't be a programmer. Remember, you mustn't be a programmer. By the time you understand the technology on how it works, you can actually learn how to apply blockchain to, if you're a banker, how to apply blockchain to banking, how to apply blockchain to medicine, to music, to social media, to whatever you do, to oil and gas. That's what the other course is for. And lastly, to make money with cryptocurrency and blockchain, you can actually learn how to trade, and that's what I do. Well, that's one of the things I do every single day, right? So cryptocurrency is very volatile, right? Today Bitcoin was around 9,500, 9,600, 9,650 thereabouts. And still today, Bitcoin came up to like $9,800 per one Bitcoin. You see, so it fluctuates, it goes up and down. So as it goes up and down like that, you can make money while it's going up. You can also make money while it's coming down, right? So that's what trading is. So we have a course on that also. The course is in the description. You can check it out. You can learn how to trade, how to make money daily. And one thing that scares people in trading is that they get liquidated, and liquidation means you will lose all your money while you're trading. You know, you hear that a lot in forex. But in this course, I'm not bragging. In this course, we've taught people how not to even get liquidated. Yeah, the highest that can happen in your trade is that maybe you get stuck in your trade for maybe 2-3 days, right? Or maybe worst case 1 week. Of course, you'll be paying some time out, but you will not lose your money, right? As long as you follow our course guideline. And in summary, going through our course, you will learn to minimize your risks, and your risk percentage will be around, you know, a little fraction, right? And you can make some sizable amount of gains for yourself every month, maybe even daily or every week. All right, so before you go into cryptocurrency or blockchain or whatever, or put your money anywhere, make sure you ask questions. Ask someone who has been into it already. Make sure he or she can explain to you before you put your money. There are so many Ponzi schemes and scams that are coming out in the name of cryptocurrency. You know, someone sent me one recently. He said the name is smart contract, and that is a very smart fellow that did that, because he took a word that exists in blockchain and cryptocurrency world and used it to create a Ponzi scheme. So if you go online and type smart contracts, you will see smart contract is a word that exists, but the business itself, it's Ponzi. So how do you differentiate Ponzi from real cryptocurrency business? That is where you meet experts like us. All right, I don't want this video to be too long, so if you're interested, my WhatsApp number will be in the description. You can check it out. And want to learn how to trade, the link is there. The course is, the price is there. The price changes also. And also, if you want to learn how to trade and you don't have the capital to pay for the fees, hey, we have something for you. You can actually invite people. I'm sure if you invite up to like 2-3 persons to register for the course, you'll get a free access. That's it. And also, if you invite 2-3 other persons, you get a capital of like $100 to get started. So you can make your life easy. So invite 6 persons, you get access to the course, and then you have $300 to get started. And if you go through our course within an X amount period of time, you can actually double your money, right? Bye.